Welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech. Today, first time we are going live to show you that this is the inverter split unit. And first of all, we are going to check how the performance of this AC. If the AC is cooling perfectly, then we are going to do the servicing without removing or without dismantling this indoor unit. Let's start. First of all, we have to check if the AC is cooling or not. To check that one, you have to use the thermometer to get the temperature, and from this area the airflow is coming. It means
थर्मामीटर नहीं है वो बना
it means there is a grill temperature here, and grill temperature should be below than the set temperature around 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. And if it's below 10 to 15 degrees Celsius to the set temperature, it means our AC is cooling normal. Then we can start the servicing. And second way, when you open this front cover, you can see these are filters. I'm going to remove one of the filter. Now you can see the filter is removed. Then I will take the coil. What is the temperature of the coil? And if the temperature of the coil is normal, like it's chilled than the grill temperature, then it means our AC is cooling perfectly. There is no issue in our AC unit. Then we can do the servicing. And this service is little bit special because we are not going to remove this indoor unit. We are going to do the servicing on the spot. इसको चेंज करो बैग. Okay, now we have removed the first filter. This is the second filter we are going to remove, and we have to check this area also, how the performance. And if you can see here, when I put my hand and when I remove, there is a sweating. My hand is full of water. This side also, if you will see, if I will keep for a few seconds, you can see there is a water in my hand. It means our AC is cooling perfectly. Now we can do one thing. We can switch off the AC and we can put the power off. Then we can start the servicing for this split type unit. First of all, I will put AC off using the remote control. Now AC is off now. Now we have to switch off with the main power supply. Now we will switch off with the main power supply. Okay, now we are going to switch off the main power supply. Now main power supply is switch off. Okay, first of all we will do one thing. We have to remove this swing. While removing this swing, you have to be very much careful. There are 3 locks for all type of air conditioning. One which is connected to the swing motor, middle to give the support, to give the strength in the middle, and the last in the corner. Already we have removed the filter. Okay, now what we have to do, before removing the cover, we have to remove the display. For all the units, the display are connected on the top cover of all the air conditioning unit. So we have to remove the, first of all, display. To remove the display, we have to remove all the cables from here. Then you have to remove the electrical cover. As you can see, already removed the communication electrical cover. Now this is the connector. This is the connector which is going to the display. Already removed this one. Now you see, I am removing now first the front cover, and you can see this is Hvac. This is Hvac inverter AC. Okay. Now you can see this is the sensor, room sensor. Now what we have to do, we have to see where are the screws and where are the locks for this AC, that we can remove the locks and screw properly without doing any damage.
Network problem. Network.
Okay, first of all, make it clear which area you have to see all the screws. This is first and second. And here also we have one screw. Always you have to remember, for all the split unit system, all the locks and all the screws are in different area because it depends on the design of the unit. Always be careful by opening the units. As you can see, there are 3 screws. Already I have 3 screws. Now I have to check the lock. Where are the locks? You can see here there was 2 locks, 1 and 2. Already I have removed. Then from the top there are locks which I have to remove. As you can see here, there are locks here. We have to be very careful while removing this one. Here also there is one lock. Here also there is one lock. Here also. We have to be very careful while removing this lock. Now let's open this top lock. Due to this congested area, it was difficult to remove this lock. Now all locks are removed, and you can see this cover also has been removed. Now we are going to show you how we are going to clean this AC without dismantling. First of all, you see this is the electrical part. This is electrical part. First of all, we have to cover this electrical part. Need the electrical cover, which we can put, and we can cover the electrical area for the safety because we are going to use the high water pressure. Okay, now electrical cover has been closed. We have covered this one. Now we are going to put a bag in which all the wastewater can get accumulated, and you can see the condition of unit. Recently we have serviced 1 and 2 months before, but still it's smelly. That's why again we are going to clean. Now we are going to use the catchment bag. This is the catchment bag, and whatever wastewater from the unit, it will be get collected. It will be collected here. Catchment bag, we are going to connect our hose, which will collect all the wastewater in that container.
Logo.
Now you can see I have connected the hose in the bottom. Now all the wastewater will be collected in the container, which is we have kept in the below. We have kept there. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use a cleaning agent, which is asthma free. It's not like a chemical. It's not going to affect or it's not going to do anything. This is like a cleaning agent. Now what we are going to do, we are going to spray all around the coil. As you can see, we have to start from the up, then we have to go on the bottom. On the back side. backside also is same you have to put, and same you have to put on the blower, that whatever mold and everything is there, which can easily get like soft. When you put high water pressure, then it can easily get removed. Okay, now we have got the cleaning agent. In this area, when we are cleaning the indoor unit on the spot, like without removing the indoor unit, the main issue comes with the back coil. The back coil is not reachable. To avoid that, if the back coil is not clean, means the airflow will be less, and frequently you will get the issue of water leakage. In that case, you have to do one thing. This area you have to remove the lock. You can see there will be some screws connected on this area. Just need to remove the screw. And you have to see where are the locks, because all the split unit have different locks in different area. Okay. Now you can see I have removed the coil now. This make me easy to clean the backside coil as well as the drain tray. As you can see, the space is also moved. Now you can see it's removed. Easily we can clean the tray, the water tray, the backside coil, the backside tray, even the coil properly now. First of all, when you do the high pressure service on the spot, you have to use pressure machine. First of all, you have to check the pressure. That pressure should not damage the coil. As you can see, this is the pressure which we are going to use. Okay. First of all, we have to clean the blower. The pressure is high. First you have to clean the blower. Then after cleaning the blower, then you have to clean the coil from ups and down. You have to start from up. Like this, from the up, you have to go down slowly, and you have to clean. Same way you have to clean the drain tray. Same way, then you have to do. You have to lift it up. Then you have to clean the drain tray. Same way. In this way, you can clean your air conditioning split unit, and you can save your time and even the wear and tear of your air conditioning. Thank you for watching Easy to Learn Tech. Open it.